breakdown of the new and improved pacing calendar that I created. So if you look here, this is the first page you'll see. It's the year at a glance. What you can do is you can then change the school year. So if you save this as a template, then all you have to do is come in next year and type in 2027, 2028, and all of the dates will change. Okay. So all of these dates changed here based on the school year, and all of the dates here changed as well based on that year that I put. I'm going to go back to 2026 to 2027 because that's the school year that's coming up. And it has, so the grayed out numbers are like the previous months, obviously. So you can see that here. So I have it going by that. If you wanted to, what you could do is, like, let's say like my first day of school is the 8th and the kids start the 10th. So I can go in here and right click and I can insert a note, and I can write like first day of school. And then there'll be like a little flag on that cell and it'll pop up with my little note, right? And then I could write here like first day for kids. So this would be a good spot for you to like just put like random events that you know you have. Maybe there's a birthday, maybe there's like something going on, just so you can keep tabs of all the things going on for the school year. So I have it going from August all the way to July. So it's the full year, but just on a school calendar. Now this one has yearly events. This is where you can actually type in the events if you want. Again, this changes whenever you change this year. All of these sheets are connected to this cell. So all you have to do is type in the year and it'll change everything based on some formulas I put in for you. So anyway, here is the breakdown of the year, right? So again, it's the same kind of concept. I have the weekends highlighted for you, and yes, they will stay highlighted when you change the year as well. So I'll go in and show you. So like if I change this to 2027, 2028, and we come back over here, it adjusted these and then the weekends are still highlighted for you. Again, I used formulas to do all of that to help you. Now we have the yearly events. So again, you could type in like if there's like a spirit week or like something else going on, you could even grab your like weekend events in there. If you wanted to make this like an all-purpose calendar, you can do that as well. Then it starts in August. Again, you can list your important dates here. Just type in whatever the date is. So like my birthday, August 27th is my birthday, right? And then if you wanted to, you can even go ahead and put a note on these calendars as well. I have it listed for 4 subjects. If you need to add a subject, select the rows the rows of the week, and you're going to right click and you're going to insert cells, and then you're going to shift everything down. It doesn't change anything over here, but it changes just this, right? So then you could write like subject 4 and subject 5. But you'll have to do that for every week, okay? So if you needed to do that, you would just, again, select the row, insert cells, and then shift down, okay? And then that's how you're going to add the extra subjects that you need. I figured most people only have about 4 subjects, but again, if you need to do anything extra, you could throw it in the calendar. So we have all of these: August, September, October, November, December, all the way through. And that's really it. That's kind of like the rundown. Now, something you also can do if you wanted is you can link. So I use Google Slides for all of my lessons. So you can go ahead and hyperlink your lessons into these slides. So like, let's say like this is my math lesson, right? So it's going to be like session 0, day 1, right? I'm going to just make this a little smaller so you can see it. You can come up to the top and click insert link, or you can do Command or Control K, and that's a link. Lesson 1, right? Book review. This is one of my products that I have, like a book review template, right? So that's it. And then all you have to do is click here and go into the lesson, and it brings it up for you. So this is really great if you have like subs and you need to share your links, or if you have a co-teacher you want to share your lessons with, this is how you would do it. Again, we use Google Slides for all of my lessons. You can also hyperlink your Canva lessons in here if you're using Canva, or PowerPoint if you upload them to your Google Drive. However you share your lessons, this is a great way to do it. And you could also link to a Google Doc. So if you actually write lesson plans, you can have that there too. So that is the pacing calendar and planner.